Jamaica said, it's a song video with people that do all kind of things to Jamaican people. But I'm not in America now, and I'm the Prime Minister giving out one blood clot. I see busy signal. I see Shaggy. I see Sean Paul. I see Usain Bolt. So driver, I want a chance to run the road for me. I find poor people. I want to find them. Make sure they get to move to the mission of posting up things.
Welcome to TT's Corner. That person you heard is none other than reggae artist Buju Bantan. Right now, I think Buju Bantan is a menace to Jamaica. This man is a problem seeker. This man is the weapon that form against Jamaica. He is not well since September 3rd. This man is on a rampage for the destruction of Jamaica. If it's not his party, then nobody, absolutely nobody, is good enough to run Jamaica. This man first him come out and he spoke negatively about the custom officers in Jamaica robbing people. Robbing, in his words, his shipment. Right? Only to find out he didn't have a shipment. He never had a shipment. And also, the things he claimed was inside that shipment was never there. I repeat, the things he claimed, Starlink and all these things, was never there. He lied. Okay? So there's people who are afraid to say it. He lied. And I'm saying it with no water in my mouth. He lied. This person who is going around doing stuff, Buju Bantan, is not the same Buju Bantan of yesteryear. The Buju Bantan that we knew, in my humble opinion, he died in jail. The Buju Bantan we knew is back in prison. Okay? Because this person is like a stand-in, because the real Buju Bantan did not behave this kind of way. I had the utmost respect. for that Buju Bantan. But this person we are seeing now, going around, doing stuff, is not Buju Bantan. This is a shell of a man. Furthermore, Buju Bantan, cannot come out and speak ill of my Prime Minister or anything negative. You understand me? Because remember, Buju Bantan went to jail for 10 years for drug possession. Cocaine, to be fact. Okay? Cocaine, the same cocaine that messed up a lot of black people globally. Okay? He's a part of that. And guess what? When he was sent back after doing years in Jamaica, members of the Jamaica Labour Party, especially Babsy Grange, was the one who greeted him with open arms. And yes, and I, in my heart of heart, she is a part of him getting back his visa so he can go back to America. The same place where he went and did his crime for drug offense. So Buju Bantan, don't you dare try to bring down my country. Because obviously it's not your country, because you think because your PNP did not win, you must throw gasoline and then strike a match on my Jamaica. And no, with well-thinking Jamaicans, it's not going to happen. Because you think that when you try to bash Andrew Holness government, you don't realize, I don't understand, maybe you fry your brain or something. You don't realize that you are putting Jamaica in disrepute. Okay? And we well-thinking Jamaican, we patriots will not stand for it. So you can huff, you can puff, but I am telling you, we will not sit back and let you blow the house down. Okay? So you better go and sit in the corner and sulk. But September 3rd, Andrew Holness-led government won. Mark Golden and the PNP lost. And you have to suck it up and move on.